12 days, 12 tree ornaments. Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome to day 6 of the tree ornaments. Today all about Christmas trees. Now with trees there are loads of different ways you can do these. I've gone for something fairly simplistic. I've gone for 3 which are just very plain pieces of wood. These are all out of small offcuts. Done a couple of oak ones. I've also done my usual case with the walnut crystal colouring. On a plain one and also a decorated one. I've also used then a piece of purple heart here which has all the iridescent paints on and the glow in the dark paints, which hopefully will show up there and on that one as well. And finally I've also done one with which is a piece of oak which has got the ebonizing solution on it to give it that darker effect. And the reason why I'm trying to do totally different types here is all of my ornaments that I'm making here are going to be going to work to sell to my work colleagues, and we all have different tastes. Some people might like, certainly on things like ornaments, to see the plain wood. Some people would like to see them decorated, some with different sizes, different shapes. So it's trying to be fairly varied throughout the whole process. These were, as I said, a quite simple project to do. Mostly use the skew chisel on a lot of these, certainly like with this one, with just literally all the beads. It's nice and quick and easy to do with the skew chisel. Even on some of these ones, it was actually easier to use the skew chisel to undercut in the top there, even though you couldn't actually use the skew chisel properly on the stem. So it was a mixture of tools, but I am certainly trying to get to use the skew chisel more and more as possible where I can on these, because you'll find that it does give a lot better finish. And again, with like all things, the practice really does make the tool a lot easier to use. Now if you've missed the other videos in the series so far, day 1 was the baubles, day 2 was the birdhouses, 3 was the bells, 4 was the crackers, and day 5 yesterday was all about the snowmen. So hopefully this will inspire you to get out there, try and make something for the Christmas tree, whether it be for your own, to give away as gifts to friends or family, or even to sell somewhere. But please do get out and start making some. So I hope to see you tomorrow on day 7. Thanks a lot for watching.